how to get a professional account on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch from a personal account to a professional account within the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, navigate to your profile within the Instagram app and then select the three lines in the top right of the app to open up the settings. Once in the settings, scroll down pretty far until you get to For Professionals and select Account Type and Tools. From there, all we need to do is select Switch to Professional Account, read through some information here, what you'll be able to do with a professional account, and then select Next. Then just select the category that best describes you. You can also have this displayed on your profile. So I'm going to do Digital Creator right there, and then select Switch to Professional Account. From here, you could choose if you're a creator or a business. Select business if you're a store or something where you want to be able to show your address, or you offer a service, or you want to be able to show your phone number so people can contact you, things like that. Go ahead and select Next. Then I recommend sharing logins using Account Center. This will make it a lot easier to manage all of your accounts in one place in the Account Center. So select Continue. Once you do that, it'll bring you to set up your professional account, where it gives you several different steps that you can use to take advantage of all the different professional features that they have on Instagram. I'm just going to close this, and it'll take me back to my profile where, as you can see under my picture, it now says Digital Creator. And that's how you get a professional account on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.